Hello student. One question that is usually asked in UPSC interview related to psychology is that how will you use psychology after selection, because you have psychology optional. So once you are selected, how will you use psychology in real life situation and to solve some problem? This is the question. So on the spot, many students find this question slightly difficult to answer because they need to uh, conjure different kind of idea. So, but I want to say this thing: this is not as difficult as a student generally think about this. Why? Because it is a applied question. Because paper 2 of psychology is thoroughly applied, and if you have done enough practice in that area, you will not be afraid of such kind of questions. If I were over there and if they ask this kind of question, or you suppose you are over there, then how would you should answer simply that uh, see, psychology is a behavioral science, and bureaucracy in bureaucracy a lot of things are related with the implementation of policy, and in that case there come occasions when people cooperate, there come occasion when they do not cooperate. For example, specifically I am telling that suppose in some area people do not cast their vote. So for the development of democracy, or routing of democracy, so called routing of democracy to the grassroots, it is essential that if the last person, you can say the marginalized section of the society, must participate in the political process, and for that we can try to modify their attitude, because behavior is connected, action is highly guided by one's attitude. And many research, for example Petty and Cassiopo, has given elaboration likelihood model, that when people think about the argument that is given, reason that is given why they should vote, and when they process such information mindfully, they will develop attitude on the basis of this argument. So, and once some attitude develops on the basis of strong argument and reason, then its probability of getting converted into action is more than the attitude that develops just because uh, somebody is telling and you like that person. This is called peripheral route of persuasion. So there are two kind of persuasion and processing of information: central route and peripheral route. So from the knowledge of psychology, we can give very strong reason and more reason to cast their vote. This is one example. Likewise, there could be several examples that could be cited, but I have just said that see this thing how this way, that just by modifying the attitude of the individuals, I can bring about changes in their behavior, and the voting percentage in that area may arise. So this way psychology could be used. If you take example from educations, then you can say that see, one of the important uh, problem in rural India, particularly the areas which are not well developed, relatively not well developed, that low enrollment rate. Second thing is that there are many social problems that are interconnected with each other. For example, poverty and illiteracy. So many parents are not are reluctant to send their children to school just because they do not have enough money to feed their children. In that case, child labor is also an issue that is connected with this problem. So if we try to ensure this kind of things in at the school level, like midday meal scheme, so motivational principle says that if some behavior is reinforced, that become more frequent, and people become motivated to do that kind of things. So we will ensure that all the children who are going to school, they should be given proper food over there under the scheme. And second thing, that where parents are reluctant to send their children, so psychology says that we can apply the community. Sometime they are individually they are reluctant to send their children to school, but community psychology principle says that if several number of people try to send their children to school, then other person cannot be indifferent. Other person means the person who belongs to that community, because this is called normative pressure. So if some individual or several individuals are reluctant, then we can apply this strategy also, that those who are change agent type individuals, who are progressive mind individuals, such family could be persuaded, and they should be particularly for girl child, they should be encouraged to send their children to school. And what happens in, see this thing in Bihar and Uttar Pradesh and many part of eastern part of the India, this way enrollment rate has increased. So we can apply community principle of community psychology also, that how participation motivates, how the normative pressure bring about compliances. So this kind of things could be applied rather than just communicating directly. Sometimes direct communication fails. They fail to bring about desirable change. Then this strategy could be applied. So likewise, there are varieties of things that could be used with the psychology optional. So this way, if you answer, because you at the moment you should work out the answer, you need not to memorize. Once problem is that, but I have noticed that many students who have gone to give interview, they try to recall something. I think, why you are recalling? If you have principles in your mind, if you have conceptual clarity, then why not you apply at that moment? Psychology is a very scientific subject, and it has got wider applications. So apply, if you have skills, you can apply. So they may give you some specific situation also. In that case, you should work out your principle. Think that how to motivate, how to bring about attitude change, how to change perception. Many principles are there, and if you are not able to do that, then it means your knowledge and understanding of the subject is not up to the mark. So I will advise you that when you read the topic concept, your concept should be clear, your theory should be clear, and you must focus that in what way, right from the beginning, in what way this principle could be applied in real life. If you keep this thing in mind, I am sure that not only in mains, but it will help you in interview also. I hope you have understood my message, and because this question has been asked by some of my students who from YouTube channels also, and other students also, so that is why I am answering. In another video I will take another questions that is generally confusing, and I will try to guide you. Thank you for watching this video.